എല്ലാവരും ഇവിടെ പഠിച്ച് ഇവിടുന്ന് ഗ്രാജുവേഷൻ എടുത്ത് ഇവിടുന്ന് PhD എടുത്ത് എല്ലാവരും വെളിയിൽ പോയി വേറെ കൺട്രിയെ സെർവ് ചെയ്യുക. കറക്റ്റായിട്ടുള്ള ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കി കറക്റ്റായിട്ടുള്ള കമ്പനികളിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കറക്റ്റായിട്ടുള്ള കമ്പനിയുമായിട്ട് ബിസിനസ് ചെയ്ത് ഇന്ത്യയെ മുന്നോട്ട് ഗ്രോ ചെയ്യാൻ സഹായിക്കണമെന്നേ ഞാൻ പറയത്തുള്ളൂ.
From 10 people in a small workshop to commanding more than 95% of India's ceramic tooling market, this is the story of Futura Engineering. At the heart of this journey is Monish Nair. His story could almost read like a fable, but it is very real. He had little interest in joining the family business and went to Australia for his master's degree. Meanwhile, his father, Monish Nair, had laid the foundation of Futura Engineering.
My mother, actually, she is the chairperson of this company. She is the backbone of this company, we can say, and she pushed my father a lot when hard time was there. Due to her courage, I can say, like, my father built this company from scratch to this big position. Time, punctuality, delivery. I went to a customer. I reached there 30 minutes late. By that time, my competitor has taken the order and he already left from that place. After that, I have never left any place without taking that order. Always make sure that I reach my customer's place at least 15 to 20 minutes prior to my appointment time. And I have always taken care that my customers are well served.
Because for him, leadership begins with trust. Under his guidance, Futura has become a workplace where people have spent 25 years of their lives. It is families who rely on it, and it is customers who believe in it. They trust its precision and a culture built on consistency and care. Even today, he carries the same passion as his very first day. Humble, curious, and eager to learn.